This song is Lehua Āhihi, and a Lehua Āhihi is a very dainty lehua that is special to Maunawili, especially around Lanihuli. And this is a song that I wrote together with my father for my grandmother who was passing at the time. And so we had agreed to meet on a Monday, and she actually passed away on the day before, on Sunday. So we still met outside under her beloved mango trees and on a park bench, and we played the song start to end for the first time, and right as soon as I had my final strum, a mango fell, boom, right on my ukulele. I thought it might have broke. And I thought, oh no, did we do something wrong? Maybe she didn't like it. And then I just had a really clear sense that, no, I think we nailed it. So this is Lehua Āhihi.